In this video, I'm going to give you a quick demo of YTEvo and how you can quickly import an entire channel of videos, whether they're yours or somebody else's, to create your own monetized website. So this is a YouTube channel that I just found. I really like it. It's a YouTube channel that's based around top 5 products, and so you can see the titles of each video, which should rank decent in search engines, especially if I build up the authority to my site. And they have hundreds and hundreds of videos, which will be a lot of content for my website. So what I've done is I've already bought a domain name called top5lab.com. I installed WordPress on it, I imported the YTEvo theme, and I went ahead and made a logo here and added some Amazon banners. And so now what we're going to do is see where the magic really happens. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the dashboard. And right here you can see YTEvo and the YTEvo Curator plugin. Now I've already set up the Curator plugin with easing articles and spin rewriter if you use those. And this way it's going to import content automatically to every post that it creates on your site. And what I've done is I chose the category of shopping and product reviews, and then the subcategory of electronics. So all the content that it adds on this site is going to be based around electronics and shopping and product reviews, which is really relevant to everything that we're going to be adding to our website. So the next thing we want to do is go to the YTEvo plugin, where we can add videos manually to our site by URL. We can search for videos here and add them, or what we can do is add entire channels and playlists. And this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and select this. And I want to make sure that we are going to select a YouTube channel because this is what we're going to be importing. And so now what I have to do is get the channel URL for this YouTube channel. So we're going to go ahead and just click on one of these videos. And then I'm going to click on the name down here. And now up at the top you can see where it says channel and then the ID. So I'm going to take this link and paste it in this box and click search. And here's the channel, and there are over 1,200 videos on this channel, which will make a very nice website loaded with all kinds of content. Over here, I'm going to leave this to auto sync. That way, any new videos they upload to this channel, it's automatically going to get posted on my website. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And then we're going to go back to our channels and playlists and select what we just added. Now we can see here the videos, and we can go ahead and choose how many we want to show per page. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on 10 for now. And we can manually publish any one of these to our website. So if we just click publish, we're going to give it a few seconds. It's taking that content, it's adding content to the post, and it's spinning it using spin rewriter, and it's already done. And now if we go view the post, we can see now that we have an amazing looking website. We have the title here, which is the same title as the video. We have some share links. We have the video embedded. All the content from the video got imported, which we can come in here and we can change all this. We can edit all this content, add our own, delete it, whatever you want to do. It's a normal WordPress post. And then if you scroll down, you're going to notice right here, this is all the content that got added to it using the Curator plugin. So everything that has to do with electronics, it randomly takes content for it, it spins it up, adds it to the site. So this page now has unique content on it, so it's much more likely to get ranked in search engines. So now that we like this, we can go back here, and I just want to go ahead, and we are showing 10 per page. I'm just going to click on Publish All. And we're going to give this a few minutes to publish all 10 of the posts that's showing right here. Okay, so it only took a couple minutes. We've got all 10 videos now posted on our website. So let's go check out the site and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's our website, and here's all the posts that's been posted on it. We have random posts listed on the sidebar. And if we scroll on down the bottom, we can also see some other posts for random, most viewed, and recent posts. And then we can go into any one of these, and we can see that every one of them looks really, really good. All of them has their own unique content on them, so they will rank better in search engine. So it doesn't matter if you use YTEvo to build yourself an affiliate site, or whether you want to use your own YouTube channel to create your own brandable website, or maybe you want to use this as a service for your clients to turn their YouTube channels into their own websites and offer that as a service, you can do that with YTEvolution. So whether you have your own YouTube channel or you've never created a video before, you can use this theme to import your own YouTube channels or anybody else's YouTube channels that allows embedding to create yourself a whole new income stream.